And today we're going to make the wooden cat doorstop. I drew out a little cat head, a little cat body, and a cat tail, and we're going to cut it out now. Now that we've cut our pieces out with our scroll saw, I'm going to go back with sander and I'm going to sand the edges and smooth them down. And now I'll put a coat of black gloss enamel paint that I got at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to brush it to imitate the fur. Just put a little bit on here. So now we're going to paint the face. Now I'm going to drill a few holes in the body for the tail and the head to attach. So I cut this little angle piece, we're going to put it on the back side right there. Can't grip it tight enough. That's better. And now I'm just going to go over any spots I might have missed with some black that just needs some touching up. And now I'm just going to put a quick coat of the Ace brand clear gloss enamel on it. And there's our finished cat. It's also a doorstop. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. When it started. You started recording? Mm-hmm. Let's see the record thing.
It's recording, bud.
Very good. I know he's a rookie. He's a rookie.